there is a new event in ESO, so I'll be busy taking care of that tonight. ESO and soup. In between the quests, I am going to work on this granny square, which is going to turn into a maxi Evergranny using acacia print number, where is it? Number 06. I think it's called like antique copper or something like that. If you've seen my previous videos, you might recall this guy, which is one of the 2 panels I need to make the bag. So yeah, that's done. Time for the second panel. I haven't seen this many players in one spot ever before. This is insane. Update on the granny square. I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows in, and I already had to change yarn 2 times because of a factory knot. Whoa. Hi guys, it's the next day. I worked on this square yesterday in between ESO quests and I'm really enjoying the event. Also, I just washed my hair, so don't mind this. As you can see, I had to change yarn or reattach it 3 times in this little granny square. Well, okay, it's not little, but you get the point. So hopefully I'll get it finished soon. But now I want to show you this cardigan finally. And this is what it looks like unblocked. I still have a stitch marker here because I haven't attached the button yet, and this is where it should go because I can't find the button. So when I find it, I'm going to attach it. Other than that, the cardigan is finished. Here are the pockets. I'm very proud of how they turned out. Even though it took so much time because I was using a 2.5mm hook for the inside of the pockets, I think it was worth it. I hope once it's blocked, it's going to get a little bit longer, like at least this long, you know. That would be good, but either way, that's the cardigan. And I figured since I'm trying things on, I will also try on this sweater that I made for Trifon. Here it is. Again, it's unblocked, and actually I will have to modify it a little bit. As you can see, the neckline is very wide and Trifon didn't like that, so he asked me to fix it. Thankfully, I have enough yarn to do so I guess I'll get it done soon. It's currently almost 5 p.m, so it's getting a little late for me as far as uploading this vlogmas is concerned, so I decided to make something very easy and simple for now. I grabbed this color of Himalaya Super Soft yarn. This is number 80805. It's a very pretty burgundy color, and I'm going to make a cut beanie using this yarn. I figured I'll record another time lapse, so yeah, let's do it. At first I was going to just use that burgundy yarn, but in the end I decided to grab my black chenille, which is Himalaya Dolphin Baby. I got so much of this black yarn, so I am really looking for ways to use it up. I decided to add a little trim at the very bottom of the hat. I ended up doing 13 rows of double crochet in the burgundy, and then I followed it by adding 2 rows of half double crochet using the black chenille. I used a 5mm crochet hook and it worked out pretty nice, to be honest. So this is what the beanie looks like. I think it turned out very nice, and yeah, that's it for today's vlogmas. I'm not getting many comments on my videos, but if you guys would like to let me know what you think about the time lapses that I started implementing into my vlogmases, well, yesterday. This is the 2nd time. Yeah, I would love to hear from you guys. Tell me what you think, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.